everybody, are you struggling to speak English? Are you learning new words, new sentence structure and new grammar rule, new vocab, but you don't know how to use them in your daily routine, how to use them when you will speak English, how you can use, and when I will use, how I can use. So please, this video only for you. Stay with me. I'm sure you will learn something from this video, and every English related video teach us new things, so please stay with me till the end. First of all, if you are learning new words every day, whenever you are listening English related any video, must you will listen new words. So whenever you are listening new words, try to write down, remark and try to write down. Why? Because when you will need those words, those sentences, you can easily find out and you can easily read, you can easily remember. When if you are suppose if you are today, if you are learning 5 sentences, 5 words, those words read again and again, and tomorrow you can try to make sentences with them. If you are learning like read, write, this type of vocab words, if you are learning today, tomorrow you can make sentences with them, easy and simple sentences. First of all, you can try to make every things, you can observe and you can try. Then day after tomorrow, you can try to apply, to practice, to speak in your daily routine. Whatever you are doing, all things, whatever you have written, whatever you have learned, all things, day after tomorrow you should speak. At least you should remember, at least you should speak 2 sentences, 3 sentences, whatever you have listened, all things you can try to speak day after tomorrow. Like this way you can easily observe and you can easily you will learn easily this language. Because there are so many English learners, they are learning like this way, and must you have to put some effort. Without effort you cannot speak English, I'm sure, because I am also like I was used to like you, that's why I'm telling you. And there are so many learners, they are following this rule to speak English, to practice English like native speaker. There I wanted to speak English like native speaker, like others. Even I couldn't speak, even I couldn't read a message but now I am being able to speak English by following all things in my by putting some efforts. Then it will be effortless for you, otherwise it will never effortless for you. So please try to do something, put something effort to improve your English pronunciation, to improve your English speaking skill, English level. I think you only you can do it, because if you don't give up, then no one can defeat you. Really, you have to believe it. Because when I used to make mistake, that time I used to think that I cannot speak English properly, even I never can speak English properly. That time I used to think, but I never give up. By practicing every day, I never thought that one day I will speak English in front of others, and also I can understand others English. Also I will give them the answer in English. I never think, but by practicing, by putting some efforts every day, now I am being able to speak English. That's why I am telling you, you have to do something different from others to improve your English skills easily and early. I think only you can do it. So try to do that every day. Try to speak English, whatever you are try to learn, whatever you are try to speak. Nowadays learning English, speaking English is a really easy for who are try to learn this language, easy for us. So try to do that. no need to practice partner. You can practice easily by yourself. So when I can speak English, so why not you make up your mind to learn this language? And I know I am nothing now, but every dog has his day. So I am practicing and I believe in myself. One day I will speak like others, like native speaker. It's my dream and I am doing like my dream. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, see you again.